Look at the picture. Color the spaces which have dots in them. What do you see? Let's color. Tick, 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 tick. Hey, I've done it. So, what do you see now? Wow, these are amazing utensils. Pan, ladle, here's a pot, and this is mash skimmer, roti tawa, frying pan, cooker, turning spatula. So many utensils. Wow. So, what are utensils made of? Yes, my dear children, as we just talked, utensils are made of steel, copper, aluminium, iron, glass, etc. We do not cook all the things that we eat. Find out which things we eat raw and which ones we cook before eating. Which are the things we eat both cooked and raw? You can fill this table. Fill in the table given below. So let's read the headings of this table. Things are eaten raw. All these things we will write here. Things that are eaten cooked. So underneath this we will write the things that are eaten cooked. And then we'll write about the things that are eaten both raw and cooked way. So here we have to write. So dear children, let's start with the first column. Things that are eaten raw. Can you name some things like that? Well done, carrot. Good. Radish. Banana. Correct. Apple. Good. And pomegranate. That's nice. Very nice. So now can you tell me the things that are eaten cooked? Correct. Dal. Rice. Chapati. Very good. And rajma. Okay, good. And what else? Fish. Correct. And let's talk about the things that are eaten both raw and cooked way. So, yes, tomato, very good. And onion, good. Cabbage, well done. Peas, good. And spinach. Yes, dear children, we can eat them in both the ways. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this. Taking out the flour in a utensil, kneading it into a dough, making small balls of the dough, rolling out the balls and then cooking it on fire. After all this, the chapati reaches your plate after so much effort. So my dear children, always respect the food you eat. Children, have you ever been to the kitchen and observed something being cooked? What all was done to cook it? So you can write this in a sequence. Okay, so don't forget to write the name of the item being cooked. Who is going to tell? Okay, Vikram, tell. Ma'am, I saw dal being cooked. Okay, then can you tell us what all happened? And keep on writing also in your notebook. Okay, ma'am, I will tell you. First of all, take a bowl of raw pulses. Okay. Then put water in the bowl and wash the pulses twice. Okay. Pour the pulses from the bowl into a pressure cooker. Okay. Pour 3 bowls of water into the cooker. Okay, good. Let it cook until the pressure cooker gives 3 whistles. Oh, you know that also. That's great. So, the dal is ready. Ma'am, I know this much only. Okay, dear children. Yes, the dal is ready, but you forgot to add salt and other spices, whatever were required. So, that also had to be added. Well, anyway, that's good that you have seen this. Dear children, you have seen that food items are cooked in a variety of ways. Some are baked and some are fried. Some are roasted while some are steamed. Given below are different methods of cooking. Write the names of two things cooked by each of these methods. Add some more methods of cooking to the list and give examples too. So here's your list. So on this side we are going to write the method of cooking, and on the other side we are going to write the name of the things. So if the method of cooking is roasting, what things can you write up? Yes, bread. Yes, it can be roasted, and corn. Okay. Now if the method of cooking is boiling, so what things will you name? Potato, good, and broccoli, nice, very nice. And if the method of cooking is frying, puri, good, and samosa, very good. Baking, if we talk of the method of cooking as baking, then cake, okay, and muffins, very good. So if we talk of the method of cooking as steaming, idli, dhokla, very well done, my dear children. You all know a lot about cooking methods. Children, what is used to cook food in your house? Draw a picture in your notebook and write its name. Most of you are drawing a gas fire. Right. So, dear children, this stove uses gas. Right. Okay. So, in most of the children's house, I can also see in your notebooks you have written about stoves. Okay. And what else? Hearth. Okay, dear children, that's nice. So, identify the pictures given below and write their names. What produces heat in each of them? Match the pictures with the list. Matching can be more than one thing also. So, let's match. So, for the hearth, what are you going to match? Coal, good. And what else can you match? Wood. Yes, you're right. And what about fireplace? Cow dung cakes. Okay. And what about the gas fire? Gas. Okay. And what about this solar cooker? Sunlight. And what about stove? Kerosene oil. And what about this electric heater? Yes, electricity, as the name suggests. So, dear children, this was a wonderful activity. Now, soak whole moong dal seeds overnight in water. In the morning, wrap the soaked moong in a wet cloth and cover it. Take it out after a day. Do you find any difference? Yes, the moong seeds get sprouted or germinated. So, dear children, have you ever tried to eat sprouts? Yes, they are very nutritious and yummy too. Just add a pinch of salt and have these sprouts. This is a wonderful breakfast. Okay, dear children, now you can add sliced onions, tomatoes, with this salt and lemon juice to this moong and mix it well. And you can share it with me and your other classmates and your family members. So we'll enjoy this nutritious thing to eat. Okay, anyhow, let's start with the next thing which we are gonna do. So tell me, which are the other things you can prepare without cooking? Write their names and method of preparing them. One example is given here. Here is lemon water. So lemon water, for this you don't need to cook. Just mix sugar in water, add lemon juice, strain it, and lemon water is ready to drink. So write some other amazing recipe. Buttermilk. Take half a glass of curd, pour glass of water into it, sprinkle salt and masala onto it. Mix everything well and buttermilk is ready. Salad. So for that, we can chop onions, tomatoes, carrots, radishes and coriander leaves. Sprinkle salt and chaat masala onto it. Mix everything well and yummy salad is ready to eat. So dear children, since we have talked a lot about utensils today, with a promise to see you soon with another exciting chapter, I would like to take your leave now. So you have to take care of yourselves and your elders in your family. Keep eating in utensils. Take care of yourselves.